Have you ever walked through a forest that seems alive with secrets? A place where time stands still and the very air hums with mystery? Welcome to a world where every step unveils a forgotten story waiting to be uncovered. Deep within an ancient forest where the trees stretch high and the mist never fades, a young girl steps into a world where few have ever ventured. She feels drawn to a mysterious light in the distance, unaware of the secrets this forest holds and the adventure waiting to unfold before her. The air is thick with wonder than herself. As she walks along the glowing path, the forest seems to change around her. The atmosphere thickens and the air is filled with a strange hum. The further she goes, the more the lights seem to beckon her toward an unknown destination, pulling her deeper into the unknown, as if guiding her toward her fate. Here, in this forsaken place, the mermaids once ruled their land, their statues standing proud. But now, the land is silent and the statues lie broken and lifeless. The girl realizes that something powerful has gone terribly wrong. From the depths of the water, a ghostly figure emerges. A mermaid, no longer of flesh but of spirit, appears before the girl. Her eyes glow faintly, filled with sadness, and she speaks of a curse that has bound her people in eternal sleep. The girl must act quickly or the curse will spread forever, leaving the land in darkness. The mermaid reveals the source of the curse, a massive ancient beast lurking beneath the deep waters. To break the spell, the girl must confront the creature in its lair, deep within the heart of the ocean. But the path ahead is fraught with peril, and every step forward brings greater danger. The shadows grow long and the path becomes uncertain, but the girl knows there is no turning back. The beast rises from the deep, its eyes glowing with fury. The girl faces it with unwavering courage, holding her trident high. The creature roars as it charges, and the battle between light and darkness begins. Will her bravery be enough to stop the creature, or will the darkness consume them both? With the dark force vanquished, peace returns to the mermaid's land. The once broken statues stand tall once more, and the water sparkles as it did in ancient times. The girl's bravery has saved the land, but her journey doesn't end here. More mysteries await, and this is only the beginning of the adventure. The land is saved, but the world is vast and more adventures await. Will you join the girl in discovering what lies beyond? Subscribe and stay tuned for the next chapter of this epic tale.